do with it? Alright, today we're going to transplant and move some of these lettuce because they're really crowded up. So let's do that. Okay, so my friend Stacy at Stacy Here We Grow Again showed me how to replant my little seedlings because they're too crowded, and so instead of just picking them out, we're going to try to transplant them and spread them out. Alright, so I'm going to get the little lettuce out real careful.
Okay, make sure not to spill it.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to come in here where there are...
Lettuce.
I think it's clear enough. There's just a few too many in here, so we will take... I'm going to take this one here, and I'm just going to go... Just a minute, honey. I'm just going to gently go down with my fingers as far down as I can. Not disturb the roots too much. Take him out. It's got a pretty decent root system. Okay, Dixie, we need to plant him quick, so you don't want to shock him too much. So we're going to put him...
Okay, I just want to tell you that, can I have some dirt from this garden?
Whatever. Here. And then we're going to put it. It's hard to film this. We just made a little hole. And we'll just drop him right in there. And...
I want to tell you, can I have some dirt from this garden?
yes.
Okay, I'll get some dirt. Which dirt should I have? I don't know.
Let me show you which dirt you can dig in, okay? You feel like digging?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this is the one I just pulled out, and it is like, first of all, it smells so good. And it's got a lot of lettuce in there, so I'm going to go ahead and probably try to plant these as a few different lettuce and see how they do. So if you just keep most of the dirt with it, that'll cause the least, damage to the roots. Alright guys, so it's Saturday and it's time to do the giveaway. So it's super sunny out. We just got done we're moving some lettuce, and it's looking really awesome. So I have a winner for the giveaway. So I wanted to thank everybody who commented, and I wanted to welcome all the new subscribers. I'm so excited to be sharing gardening and just life. And so thank you guys very much. And our winner, I'm so excited to announce, is Stacy from Stacy Here We Grow Again. So Stacy has this amazing goal. She is a small gardener in Florida, and just started following her, and she likes to share with others how to grow in small places and just how to grow. And her main goal, this is what is so awesome, is to grow a lot of food and share with others on how to grow it, and then donate all the extra to a homeless shelter. So this is awesome. So I want to join Stacy, and we're going to give to her cause. We're going to give her the heirloom seed giveaway. So the greatest thing about this is, I know Stacy will participate, is heirloom seeds are shareable. So if she grows them, she can turn around and give seeds away to someone else. So Stacy, those seeds are coming your way, and I challenge you to grow these things and video about it, and then I challenge you to save the seeds and to share with others. And I look forward to our mission of sharing food. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. Bye! Okay, so I forgot to mention in the giveaway that I'm also sending these seeds. These are those crookneck pumpkin squash that I talked about in that video where I planted one seed and I got about 15 to 20 of these. So I don't know if you have space for this, but try it because these, I hear they cook up just like pumpkin. So I like butternut, but I'm going to try to make a pumpkin pie. I'll let you know how that goes. Yay! I think you're doing a good job.